Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this lab, we will learn what is the difference between function parameters and argument in Python. Okay, I use Jupyter notebook for our session. So here I'm going to write one function def print my name, and the function took one parameter name. I use this term parameter and argument interchangeably. So here I print the message hello and whatever the name we pass. Okay, this is my function. Now I'm going to call this function. Okay, so how I going to call this function? By using function name. Print my name. For IntelliSense, you can press the tab, then the IntelliSense will come in Jupyter notebook. So here I want to pass the name. Okay, so for this I create one variable name, or we can say underscore name, and here I pass or I assign one value Sagar, and here I pass that name to that function. Okay, the semicolon is never needed in Python. Okay, so if I run this, to run this program you can press Control Enter, it is a shortcut key, or you can run this from there. You can see here it will print my message hello Sagar. Okay, now what is the parameter and what is argument? Okay, so in this example, when I write the function, okay, by using def, define the function, I pass one parameter. Okay, this is called parameter, and when I call this function using the function name, it is called as an argument. Remember this thing. Okay, so what is the difference? When we write or define the function, it is called as a parameter, and when you call that function, it is called as argument. This is the difference. So thank you for watching. We will meet in the next lab. Have a nice